Today, I'm going to show you how to cut a watermelon 5 different ways. So, watermelon is an incredible snack for that wonderful summer treat. Everybody loves it. What we want to do first before we even cut into it is wash the outsides of it to make sure we're removing all the bacteria, especially from the soil. After it's dry, we're going to cut this watermelon in half. Watch those fingers. The first cut we're going to make is by cutting it in half, and then we're going to be using one side of the watermelon. This cut is going to be excellent for kiddos, guys. So we're going to be slicing the watermelon all the way across, and then we're going to be turning it the other way and slicing it in the opposite direction. This is going to make watermelon fries. Yep, you heard me right. You can do this with a large watermelon or a small watermelon, but we're going to be cutting these across in both directions, and then we're going to get these nice long rectangular watermelon french fries. All right, next up we are going to be doing watermelon chunks. First, we're going to be slicing off the bottom of the watermelon. Now we're going to be cutting off the rind, and we're going to be cutting downward towards the cutting board. If you need to, for the slippage, you can always add a paper towel underneath the watermelon. You're going to slice a little bit at a time. That way you get all the white off and all the rind off. Just stuff that is not very sweet. We want to get the nice, sweet, juicy fruit in the inside. After you get the rind off, you're going to slice across the watermelon just like you did before, and you're going to turn it the opposite direction, and this time we're actually going to slice it in half. This is going to allow us to have smaller pieces and make them into those nice bite-sized chunks. The next cut I'm going to show you works really well with these oval shaped watermelons. Again, you can use this with large, long shaped watermelons or these smaller personal size. We are going to start by cutting the watermelon in half, just like we did before. We're going to take one of these halves and we are going to turn them into just that traditional triangular shape slices. So we're going to slice this down the middle again, and we are just going to slice straight on across, and this gives us those classic watermelon slices, those nice little triangles that everybody loves to eat and loves to see at the family barbecues. Let us know down in the comments if watermelon is one of your favorites to take to family barbecues and summer outings, or if now that you're watching this video and are more confident in cutting watermelon, if this is going to be your go-to grab snack for the summer. The next cut I'm going to show you is we are going to take the other half of the watermelon and we're going to slice it down the middle just like we did before. This time we're going to make long cuts all the way across the side of the watermelon and just follow that nice and smoothly all the way across. This is going to allow you to make long slices of watermelon. These are super fun to eat, especially if you have those who like to eat lots of watermelon all at once. These are perfect for that. The last way I'm going to show you how to cut a watermelon is cutting them up into chunks, but utilizing quarters instead of just the halves. And if you're a little intimidated cutting off the rind, this might be a great option. I find it to be a little bit harder. Find the best way that works for you. So you're going to slice this across, and then as you saw, I turned it to its side and I sliced downwards into the rind, then turn it the opposite direction and slice downward towards the rind, and then cut underneath the watermelon. This allows you to cut nice even chunks out of the watermelon. So let us know in the comments which one of these cuts was your favorite, which one helped you the most. Have you sliced watermelons like this before, or are you brand new to cutting your summer fruit? Let us know down in the comments. How are you going to cut your next watermelon? Which one do you and your families enjoy the most? Mine's definitely love the classic triangles, not so much the chunks, but you know, that's just how we roll over here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, take care.